Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the Handoff AI Estimator, which claims to give quick and accurate project estimates. We tested it on multiple scenarios to see if it's trustworthy. We like how easy it was to set up. You input the project details and it generates a cost and time estimate in seconds. The results are generally accurate and saves us the hassle of manual calculations. For quick proposals or client discussions, this tool really shines. Pros include speed, convenience, and overall decent accuracy. The cons are that for highly complex projects, the AI can oversimplify, and human review is still necessary. Also, it doesn't replace expertise, it just accelerates the process. Overall, it's a handy tool if you want fast estimates, but don't rely on it as your only source of truth for critical projects. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam Free.